Hello and welcome to How Rich Does It. Today is May 1st, 2020, and today will be my day one of my weight loss journey. I want to give you guys a little bit of information. First, I had my official weigh-in. Like I said in my previous video, I'm going to weigh in every morning, and that will be the thumbnail for my video. Some of the things I'm going to be doing in this fast, and this is all based upon information that I've learned and also what I've done last year, and it all worked out and everything was fine. But the way I'm going to be losing weight, it's going to consist of water fasting, dry fasting, juicing, intermittent fasting, and what's called o.m.a.d, which is 1 meal a day. All of these things I'm going to incorporate at different points. Today I'm going to be starting with juicing. I made myself a big skillet of vegetables last night. So I'm going to be eating that starting tomorrow. And the next time I make one, I'll make a video of it. And it has, like zucchini, broccoli, cauliflower, mushrooms, spinach, kale, onions, purple onions, green onions, and a lot of olive oil and a couple other items. And I just steam that in a big pan for myself, and that's what I will eat off of. With my juicing, I will go over that, what items that I'm putting into my juicing, and that will be what I'm going to do for 24 hours starting today when I have my first meal here. And I hope that you come along the journey. I want to walk you through the way I've been eating, and as you can see, if you please haven't seen the first video, go back and watch it. It's an overview of what this whole thing is about and how it all started. So I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of just how I've been eating the last few months, and literally have put on over 30 pounds. Let's see, how can I get this to flip around? Maybe I can't. Well, maybe I'll just hold it this way and you guys can see. So in my refrigerator, you see we've got sodas. I've been using this creamer. That's a no-no. I'm gonna stay away from that. I've been having some wine, been having some Coronas. Okay, I'm gonna walk you over here to a freezer. So we open up the freezer. This one isn't as bad. It's mostly meat, but I've been eating 2 or 3 of those a day. No good. These I'm going to be using them in my juicing. Things like this I've been eating, just all bad. Let me walk you over to this freezer, and you'll see over here more ice creams, hash browns. Been killing these burritos, curly fries, garlic bread. Pull over here. I mean, you can see all these pizzas. Just been eating wrong because all the processed food is pretty much what I've been eating. So I'm definitely going to get away from that and turn it back around. Here is my NutriBullet that I'm going to be utilizing. I'm going to be utilizing my Ninja as well, but mostly my NutriBullet as far as all of my juicing. And so that's kind of it for right now. I hope that you guys will give me some feedback. If you have any questions, please, ask them. If you want to join in with what I'm doing, that'll be great. I'll be a little detailed as far as what I'm using for like my sugar supplements and other things of that nature. So please give me a thumbs up. Let's take a minute. This is going to be hard. This COVID-19, everyone says, hey, I've gained a COVID-19 pounds since we've been on lockdown in our homes. So I want to show you guys how to lose weight, first of all, I'm going to do all of this without any exercising, to show you guys that it is possible to just really turn around your eating habits, eat clean, eat healthy, get your vitamins, to the supplements. I'm going to be showing you what I do. And like I say, this is what has worked for my body. Hopefully you can take bits and pieces, try them out for yourself, or if you've already done them, hey, chime in, let me know what your results were. So please subscribe to my channel, and let's make this a team effort, and we can spread this around and hopefully get this to grow and get more than just a couple of people on board to joining up with getting healthier. I'm going to be doing this for 30 days. After 30 days, I will continue it, but then it will be at a more aggressive pace, and I'll start to incorporate weightlifting, which will, help me put on some muscle and, kind of shrink my body up and, get rid of all this in the weight loss. But, most of your battle when you're trying to lose weight is your diet. It's not your exercise. It's what you eat, what you're putting in your body. So after 30 days, I will be incorporating that. I will aggressively pick up the pace on the way I said I'm going to be doing the weight loss journey. My water fasting, I'll do it, for 24 hours, 48 hours and 72 hours. And I might not go beyond 72 hours. Last year when I did it, I got up to 5 days. And the first time I did 5 days, I felt, pretty bad. Fifth day I had to eat. I was just kind of in a fog, no energy and whatnot. But I learned how to do it. I learned how to not rush into it. That is very important, guys. Do not rush into this. When I first started last year, I just made up my mind. I said, hey, you know what? I'm just going gung-ho. And I went right into a water fast. And I think I went 24 hours and just binged. I can't do it. I can't do it. And I think I went 30 some odd hours. So it took time to build up. And I think, in the 2 months of doing 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, I finally got up to 5 days. And I think that was more than enough for my body. At that point, I was probably losing 1.5 pounds a day. And, but now I'm going to do it a little bit slower in different increments. Like I might do juicing 1 day, water fast another day, intermittent fasting another day, and then just kind of rotate that, and then just let it become more aggressively as far as the water fasting. The intermittent fasting will then become a 1 meal a day program. But it's amazing. And like I said, I'm going to do weigh-ins every single day. And I hope that I can get somebody encouraged to do this with me. I am 52 years old, and I'm going to show you how to lose. My goal is to lose 25, 26 pounds, and then hopefully by working out, gain 5 to 10 pounds of muscle. The 26 pounds, I'm thinking about giving myself 45 days to do this. The last time I actually lost 20 pounds in the first 24 days that I was doing this, but it was at a more aggressive pace. I'm going to slow it back down. There's still, with this coronavirus and not working and stuff, there's already another types of stress in the emotional and mental, and I don't want to really add a lot of physical stress to it. So with that said, please subscribe, please click on that like button, and let's do this together. And please be safe out there and be kind to one another. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.